Hey there, Roger Burnley, vocal coach here. I am in Los Angeles, California, and I've been a coach here for many, many years. Today, I'm going to talk about something that I've not worked with or spoken about much at all, but I receive a lot of questions about it, so let's talk it. Jaw tension. Jaw tension. Oh, I feel really caught in my jaw. What is that from? And years ago, I used to work with this quite a bit. I had many clients who would come to me with what's called TMJ. Now, so let's talk about that. And TMJ is this muscular kind of thing that happens. It's a deformity that starts to happen, a condition, I should say, where it's really hard for your jaw gets kind of locked. So understand that you have muscles that are controlling everything. Your brain directs your muscles to do things in your body, but those muscles control what's going on in your body. So if you've had, and most times, I don't want to go too much into this, but I will find that most times people who have jaw tension or TMJ also they're just really kind of nervous in their lives as well. So that may be part of it going on. We don't know, but that's usually part of it. And so what we want to do is bring a sense of relaxation to not only the jaw, but to ourselves, to our lives, whatever it might be. So I'm going to give you a little exercise here that's going to help you to try to start to do that. And this is where you're going to actually consciously tell your jaw to open and relax. Ah, ah, ah. Now I'm using a really horrible sound, this ah sound. I say horrible because for me, as in most people, it causes us to want to fall back in our throat. Then when that happens, then we will push in more to try to get a sound, and then that tension gets ingrained. We start to create more of it. So we're going to start to reverse that. So let me do it on this exercise, and so you guys get a sense. I just want you to pay attention to the ease of how I'm going up to those higher notes. What my jaw does. My jaw is relaxing here, not closing into it. So my jaw says, I'm taking the tension off. So if you're a person who's had this tension going in, and this will work for everyone, but especially for people who have felt that they have this tension or have been diagnosed with having this TMJ. So I'm giving myself a whole different mental idea, habit as I'm doing this. So let me go through it a little bit. Do you hear it? So the jaw here, it's opening here, not pushing into it. Let me give you a little word of warning. What will happen is that if you've had this habit of really pushing into things, it's not going to change right away. I'm saying that, so be patient with yourself. I see people all the time kind of struggling with this. They get the concept of not wanting to push into it, but they old habits say, wait, but I've been used to doing that. Relax, it'll start to go away. I just opened. Let me do a little bit more so you can hear it. I think. Ah, 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 ah. Now, again, as I'm getting higher, I'm slightly closing my mouth because, especially on this sound, so I don't want to open too much because then I'm really going to start to push into it, and then that jaw tension is going to be created again. So whenever you feel yourself starting to tighten up again, just relax. Don't go that high. Just allow your body to accept the relaxation in the lower and mid parts of your range, and then it'll translate into the higher parts. All right, practice this. You will get rid of that tension. All right, thanks you guys. And please subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and if you have any other questions, leave them and we will get to more, and I will see you in the next video.